भारत के सबसे पसंद किए जाने वाले एथनिक ओकेजन वियर ब्रांड कॉस्की ने हाल ही में कॉस्की सुपर ब्राइट सीजन 3 प्रतियोगिता का सफल समापन किया। ये एक राष्ट्रीय स्तर की पहल है जो देश भर की असली भारतीय दुल्हनों की हिम्मत, उनकी पहचान, आत्म अभिव्यक्ति और सांस्कृतिक चमक को सामने लाने का मंच प्रदान करती है। इस साल देश भर से 10,000 से अधिक दुल्हनों ने भाग लिया, जिससे ये भारत की सबसे भावनात्मक और प्रभावशाली वेडिंग स्टेज प्रतियोगिता बन गई, जहां असली व्यक्तित्व होता है, शो स्टॉपर और आत्मविश्वास होता है असली कूचर। राष्ट्रीय प्रतियोगिता का उद्देश्य सुपर ब्राइट प्रतियोगिता का मकसद सिर्फ एक है, भारत की वास्तविक दुल्हनों को एक ऐसा मंच देना जहां वे बिना किसी झिझक के अपनी असल पहचान दुनिया के सामने रख सकें। ये प्रतियोगिता आधुनिक भारतीय महिला को मौका देती है कि वो अपनी विशिष्टता का जश्न मनाए और शादी की तैयारियों के बीच अपने सपनों जैसे रैंप वॉक और सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन को पूरा कर सके। प्रतियोगिता अगले 18 महीनों में शादी करने वाली सभी दुल्हनों के लिए खुली थी।
My name is Umar Akhtar and I'm the CEO and co-founder at Koski. Thank you everybody for coming for the Super Bride event. The Super Bride concept started way back in 2019. The whole idea was, we genuinely believe that every woman is beautiful by default. And what really matters is what she is on the inside, who she is as a person, what does she want to do, what does she stand for, and what does she want to do with her life. And we wanted to create a platform that helps the regular women to be a part of the platform. So when we created this platform, it was not about being beautiful, having the perfect bodies, the perfect postures. It was all about being real, being who you are, and making an impact on your own and other people's lives around you. So this whole platform was created with that intent, and that is why you see that you know, you don't need to be the glamorous, good-looking girl to be a super bride. You need to be a super bride in your day-to-day life. You need to be a super bride in what you do with people around you and how you make them feel. And those are the criteria on which we judge for this campaign. So I'm very, very excited that we concluded season 3. We have a beautiful super bride here
Thank you
for
so much.
2025 season 3. And thank you all for watching. Thank you.
And it was crazy. I met all of the brides all over India. So we were 31 brides and all are just amazing. We all are winners already. We have a lot of connections, now friends in almost every state. So yeah, all are lovely and I had a wonderful experience in the resort. So even if I did not win also, this whole journey, this whole 3 days of training and experience was itself a great thing. So I will cherish all these moments my entire life. Thank you, Kosi.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, I'm feeling so great that it almost feels like a Miss India moment. I know it is not, but still it feels like wearing a crown. And this is the last event with Miss title, I know. I'll be soon get married, yeah. So yeah, I feel so happy about it.
And can you just mention about the super bride, how
Yeah, the
selected and
Yeah. So the super bride journey, I was getting the call on the last day of the registration. So the team was super supportive and they were like, ma'am, you can just register in this. Like I have already did a few steps of registration, but later on I completed all the steps and all. Later on I got a call like, you're selected. And I was like, that moment itself was enough for me. I saw that 10,000 plus registrations were there. And I was among 31 of that. So that itself is a winning moment. And from there, it was like trainings and all they'll be giving here for 3 to 4 days. So that all, like I was excited for that more. So I'm an artsy bride, that was my persona. So I'm more into artistic, creative way of styling me. So yeah, I'm...
Now announce your name and say I am the super
Oh.
bride of Koski 2035.
Yeah. So I'm Anjali Shivdas and I'm the super bride of Koski Super Bride Season 3.
What would you like to say about Prasad with the person?
He's just amazing. He just treats everyone like their own child. So yeah, he teaches every single thing in a nice way. Maybe yeah, his way is a little different than other trainers obviously. But I think that's what made me the winner. Maybe I don't know. Because I don't have any other prior model training or anything. It's all here I learned and it's all him only. So yeah.
Thank you. It was our
Thank
whole
you,
team
sir.
and the Koski
Yeah.
team. But congratulations to you. This is one of Bangalore's most important titles. The Koski Super Bride is in season 3. It's one of the most important IPs. It's Karnataka, the own sort of a contest and something that has been created out of Bengaluru. So I'm very, very proud to be part of it. And Anjali here, all our congratulations. She now becomes a Bengaluru Hudugi.
Yeah. I'm from Kerala, but yeah,
Now we will pull you here.
I love to.
Thank you all so much for coming and being part of this. It's very kind of you.
Participants who have participated and
All 31 of them were winners in our opinion. They were lovely girls, come from all over the country. Some of them came with their fiancés, some of them came with their families. But all of them had such a positive energy. And you know, Bengaluru Bandagwaga, everyone becomes a very special person. Because now Bengaluru Nalli, we make them special. So I think that was one of the most wonderful things about the Koski Super Bride Season 3. I really enjoyed it. Thank you, Anjali, for being part of it.
Thank you so much.